Are you into tool making? Do you supply components to OEMs? Do you want to grow and grab more from this $175 billion market? Yes? Then this opportunity is for you. Stay tuned. When was the last time you made a product delivery on time? Do you know if the last mold you made brought you profits? Is your plant capacity fully utilized? Do you have visibility to manage your overload? Is real-time monitoring of your shop floor activities a cakewalk? Are you able to satisfy your customers' traceability requirements? Loads and loads of challenges we face every day. You are not alone in this firefighting. When the world around you is digitally transformed, then why not your company if it solves all these challenges? Sounds like yet another sales pitch for a complex system with heavy implementation costs and challenging ongoing maintenance? No way! We introduce INDEEYA, a platform for component tool manufacturers and their customers to organize, collaborate, and grow. It's not just another software. It's the process standards leading to operational excellence. INDEEYA is both for single machine owner and for a corporate supplier. We crafted INDEEYA with passion, curated it with eminent entrepreneurs from the industry with an intention to organize the micro, small and medium manufacturing companies. INDEEYA is designed and built by manufacturing professionals with hands-on experience who are providing consultancy to tool rooms and component manufacturers around the world. INDEEYA's commitment is 20% productivity gain for your company. For buyers, INDEEYA is an aggregation platform of suppliers following industry's best standards and guaranteeing product traceability. It is just 1, 2, 3, go, ready to start. Configured system delivered on sign-up. INDEEYA is a simple manufacturing management system. All business processes from enquiry to payment are standardized and integrated. Manage RFQs and submit quotes. Project management for new product development. Procure materials at the right time and optimize inventories. Optimally plan your demand and schedule your resources with batch traceability. Tool lifecycle management and equipment maintenance. Internal and supplier quality management. Delivery and invoicing. People, talent, training and compensation. Communication platform with chat and task management. Document management system. Manage your finance from budgeting to reporting. Organize all your processes. Collaborate with your next door manufacturer and offer value-added solutions to your customers. Be visible to the OEMs and let enquiries reach you directly. It's being implemented by your neighboring manufacturing companies. Why not you? Get started now. We handhold you through this journey. Get rid of the daily firefighting. Make on INDEEYA to grow your business. This opportunity is now open only for the invited. Join the waiting list now to get invited to huge benefits. Log on to www.indeeya.in/add-me-in. Make on INDEEYA. Add better value to your customers with your own manufacturing network and grow your business.